In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this intake tube, use a T20 socket, take these screws out. Grab that, and then this is going to come forward. If you need to, you can use a straight blade screwdriver. I'll just use a pocket screwdriver. Pop that off, and this comes up out of your way. Now, using a T60 socket right here where the tensioner is, we're going to loosen the tension on the belt. Push that towards the driver's side, and then grab the belt. You can pull it off the alternator pulley. Go. Once that's off, you can take the tool off the tensioner. And we can remove the belt, take it off the power steering. All right, pull it off the crank pulley, and it comes right out. Now I take the belt, slide this down, wrap it around. Might be easier to go over the generator and then come back over the idler, if that works for you. All right, double check. Take a look at all your pulleys. Looks like it's around all the pulleys correctly. I just take this air tube, get this lined up. It's in place. Take the screws, get those started. And I'll tighten these down. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.